All right, sit. Sit down. What I love about film and cinema is that it has music, it has art, it has movement, it has narrative, it has the possibility of change, all the things that I love. My name is Shruti Ganguly, and I am a filmmaker. Whether you're doing a production that has a handful of people or you're on set with 200 or 400 people, you're always going to navigate how best you need to communicate to keep moving forward. I collaborate a lot with co-writers, sometimes with co-directors. As a producer, you often work together as a team. It is in that process of collaboration that story also evolves. I find inspiration in moments of challenge by actually doing things that give me a lot of peace of mind. I travel constantly for work, and I find a lot of rejuvenation by just getting to be home. I think it's sometimes the little things that really enable me to find focus. It's my routine during the day. It's my commitment to writing. Whether I'm walking my dog or just even staring into our paintings and the artwork in our own house, or even the flowers in a vase. There are these little objects and things that contain ideas and beauty and history. And I find focus by creating spaces that are conducive to me feeling like I can fully be myself and be present.